The Syncwire USB-C 66W car charger is a cutting-edge accessory designed to enhance convenience and efficiency for users on the go. In this video, we'll explore the key features and benefits that make the Syncwire USB-C 66W car charger an indispensable tool for modern travelers. Syncwire car charger with a unique on and off switch specifically designed to allow you to control the power flow, preventing any unnecessary discharge and conserving the battery's energy when the car is idle. This intelligent feature acts as a safeguard including overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overheating, and short-circuit safeguards, which ensures the security of your device in your car during charging and ensures the security of your device in your car during charging. Syncwire car charger equipped with Type-C PPS-PD30W and USB-A ports. This fast-charging car charger ensures high-speed charging for your iPhone and Android smartphones, which can enable charging for 3 devices simultaneously. The total output of the car charger is up to 66 watt. This car phone charger is compatible with iPhone 13, 14, and 15 series, iPad Pro and iPod Air, Samsung Galaxy S21, S22, S23, and Z Flip series. It is also compatible with Google Pixel, Moto, and LG phones and more Android devices. Before we going ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.
Hi everybody, today I want to show you this Syncwire product that I just got. This is perfect if you are running out of room for your USB plugs in the car. So you attach it to the lighter outlet and here it is. It has a 6-foot long cable so you can use your phone or whatever device you need to while it's still plugged. It has a button over here to turn it on. You can attach a regular USB or a C, and it has a lot of safety features that will prevent it from short-circuiting or from overheating or anything like that. So I'm going to show you right now how I plug it. So as you can see, I only have one USB plug, so if I run out of it, if I want to put something else, I don't really have the room, so I'll just connect it right here. And again, I can connect a regular USB right here, and again, if I need it, I C drive it, I can just connect it right here, and then I just turn it on and it's perfectly good. This one is for a C drive. They have them for Apple or different ones, and so this one is perfect. Again, 6 feet long so that you can stretch it as long as you need to keep talking while you use it. And again, it gives you those extra plugs in the car when you run out of them. So I hope that you guys find it as useful as I am.